This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Christine Johnson sqft. Great Rambler in Belfern Estates with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms and 2,100 square feet on a huge lot. New laminate flooring, carpeting, paint, lighting and plumbing throughout the house with 2 living rooms, 2 dining areas. New kitchen with countertops, cabinets and appliances. New bathrooms with new countertops and cabinets. Primary room is large with a walk-in closet. Bath has a double vanity, walk-in shower. Radiant ceiling heating throughout the home with 2 gas fireplaces. Bonus artist studio space right off the garage. Large, new deck off the living room that looks out over the spacious yard. 3 shops are located in the back of the property. For more information, review the details below.